Hey there, elementary math detectives. Welcome to today's explainer. If you've ever stared at a math problem and just felt like your brain was doing jumping jacks in literally the worst way possible, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to completely transform how you feel about numbers. Because here's the thing, numbers are actually leaving behind hidden clues and patterns for us to find. It's like a giant puzzle. I'm going to share some absolutely massive secrets with you today, straight from our source material, that'll show you math is not what you think it is. We're going to blow your mind, turn you into expert code breakers, and run through some incredible lightning-fast speed challenges. Get ready to feel like a total genius. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's just tackle the elephant in the room right off the bat. Be honest with me. When you see a huge math problem up on the board, does your stomach do a little flip? Do you ever catch yourself thinking, ugh, math is just so boring or tedious, or it's just really difficult? Maybe you've even thought, I'm just not smart enough for this. Well, stop right there. Literally take a deep breath. Give yourself a massive positive affirmation right now. Say it with me. You are smart, you are entirely capable, and you are absolutely smart enough to crack this case. You should never, ever give up, because honestly, the problem isn't you at all. Now check out this massive secret we're revealing from our source. Read this quote with me. It's not mathematics that is boring and difficult. It's all the ways that we are taught. Wow. Just think about that for a second. The numbers themselves, they aren't the enemy. Actually, here's a totally fascinating piece of history for you. Before we all walked around with calculators in our pockets, mathematicians and scientists actually used these brilliant mental math shortcuts to save hours and hours of tedious work. The real reason you might be frustrated is simply because those traditional, step-by-step, long-form techniques, they just drain all the fun out of learning. Let's really think about the difference here. On one hand, we've got the old way, right? Writing down endless rows of numbers, carrying the one, getting completely lost in your own handwriting. It's tedious, it's difficult. But on the other hand, we have the new way. Today is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on this new way. We're going to look for specific clues to unlock those historical shortcuts. By learning these fast tips and tricks, we completely bypass the boring methods. We can make mathematics incredibly interesting, and you know what? I'm going to prove it to you right now. All right, shake out your arms, stretch your fingers out, and get those brains warmed up, because I am officially inviting you into a rapid-fire mental math speed challenge. We're going to learn exactly how to do this step by step. Our first challenge category, squaring numbers. Now that just means multiplying a number by itself. Normally, doing this with big numbers takes a pencil, a lot of scratch paper, and a literal ton of patience. But let's see how a true math detective does it the tricky way. Okay, here is your first massive problem. Challenge 1, square 99. Yep, 99 times 99. I want you to put down your pencils right now. No cheating. A true math detective only needs their mind for this calculation. If you were using the old textbook method, doing this in your head seems completely impossible. Your brain is probably screaming, no way, I can't do that. But boom, the answer is 9,801. Seriously, how? Well, let's break it down step by step. Think about the pattern here. 99 is exactly 1 away from our nice round base number of 100, right? So, step 1, 1 squared is 0, 1. That's the end of our answer. Step 2, take our original number, 99, and subtract that 1, which gives us 98. Stick them together, and you get 9,801. Just imagine the look on your parents' faces if you calculated that in your head. Okay, we are keeping the momentum flying. Challenge 2, square 95. Once again, 95 times 95. It looks like a huge mountain of a calculation. But wait, numbers ending in 5 actually have the most fun, colorful pattern of all in the detective world. So stop calculating the long way, scratch that, let's use our new clues. And just like that, the answer is 9,025. Okay, here is the step-by-step detective clue for numbers ending in 5. Take the very first digit, which is 9. Multiply it by the next number up on the number line, which is 10. So 9 times 10 is 90. That's the first part of your answer. Then you literally just stick 25 on the end, 9,025. This is exactly what our source means when it says math can be easy and tricky. You are doing amazing. And I just want to remind you again, you absolutely have the brain power to handle this speed. So let's throw out another huge calculation. Challenge 3, square 51. 51 times 51. Again, don't write it down. The base 50 trick is another incredible tool we're adding to our detective kit right now. Flash, the answer is 2,601. Okay, let's walk through this rule step by step. For numbers near 50, we use 25 as our secret base number. Stick with me here. 51 is 1 more than 50. Step 1, 1 squared is 0, 1. Step 2, add that 1 to our secret base of 25, which gives us 26. Put it together, 2,601. I mean, this perfectly proves how incredibly fast problem-solving becomes when you step away from those tedious old ways. It really is like a superpower. Let's finish up this squaring round with a really quick check-in for practice. Challenge 4, 45 squared. 45 times 45. Take a deep breath. Think back to that ends in 5 rule we just learned a couple of minutes ago. You have the clues. You know what to do. And the answer is 2,025. Let's walk through it one more time just to really reinforce those steps. Take the first digit, 4, multiply it by the next number up, which is 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Stick 25 on the end, and we get 2,025. Huge praise to all of you for keeping up. You just blazed through calculations that would normally take up a whole sheet of paper. You are officially crushing it. All right, let's pivot and see how this builds as we move to a brand new type of trick. Welcome to the bonus round, the magic 11s. Multiplying 2-digit numbers by 11 gives us the ultimate visual pattern for a math detective. This is yet another area where traditional teaching totally slows us down. But hey, we know better now. Here is your problem. What is 43 times 11? Now, I want you to imagine the exhausting paper and pencil method for a second. You're writing the 43, putting the 11 underneath, dropping a 0, adding them all up. Now, instead of all that, I want you to mentally picture the digits 4 and 3. Just focus on those two numbers for a second. Instead of all that extra work, check this out. The answer is instantly 473. Here is the step-by-step magic. Take the 4 and the 3 and just mentally split them apart, leaving a little space in the middle. Now, add them together. 4 plus 3 is 7. Stick that 7 right in the middle space and boom, 473. You can calculate it in your mind literally faster than you could even write the problem down. How cool is that? All right, we have one extra example, and it's the very last problem of our speed challenge. Let's finish really strong here. Final question, 25 times 11. Lock in your focus. I encourage you to try doing the step-by-step calculation out loud right now before I reveal it, okay? Split the 2 and 5, add them up, and instantly we get 275. Let's just confirm those steps real quick. 2 plus 5 is 7. Stick it right in the middle. 275. You cracked the code. You just completed a rapid-fire math magic challenge, and you did absolutely incredible. It is amazing how fast numbers can move when you finally let go of the old rules. Let's do a quick quiz recap of exactly what we've accomplished today. 99 squared is 9801. 95 squared is 9025. 51 squared is 2601, 45 squared is 2025, 43 times 11 is 473, and 25 times 11 is 275. Just think about all those huge numbers. Look at what you just did. Now, I want to challenge you right now. Start doing daily 5-minute drills. Just 5 minutes of these quick quiz drills a day will keep your brand new math detective skills razor sharp, because this shows you exactly how much is possible when math actually becomes a game. So the absolutely crucial point here, tying this back to our detective narrative, is the truth about fast math. Number 1, it is not about rote memorizing. Nobody expects you to sit down and memorize all these massive answers. No way. Number 2, it is about looking at the numbers, seeing the hidden patterns, and applying the step-by-step rules. Once you learn the pattern, the math essentially does the work for you. And number 3, answers take only seconds because you've unlocked the shortcut. I want to offer you one final, massive positive affirmation. As newly trained problem solvers, you have the brain power to master absolutely any number that comes your way. Please do not let old, tedious methods make you feel like you aren't smart enough. The source material proves it perfectly today. Math is secretly easy and wonderfully, beautifully tricky. It's all about looking for the clues. So here is your take-home challenge for tonight. I want you to take these step-by-step tricks, go home and completely amaze your parents or your friends. Seriously, show them how fast you can be. And I'll leave you with this final, thought-provoking question. If math is all about the way we are taught, and you now know that these incredible shortcuts exist, what trick will you learn next? Keep exploring, keep looking for those clues, and never let a tedious equation slow you down. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.